Did you know that you can take any image and turn it into a website inside of Code Arena? Let's check it out. I'm on Code Arena right now, and you can see this paperclip icon over here, which you have two options. You can either upload an image from your computer, or you can take a screenshot of any page. I'm going to be making a prototype of a little cake shop. So I made a small little wireframe of what that will look like. So you can see over here, my website is called Sugar and Crumb. It's a new and coming, popping SF cake shop. So let's tell the model, hey, build me a clone of this cake shop as you see inside this reference image. So we send that off, and then we can take a closer look. So what I'm really looking for are how close can the model actually bring this image to life. So we have a nav bar here. It has the name of the cake shop. It has a few menu items inside of the nav bar. We have a header. We have a hero photo. Maybe some like cake photo would do. We have some featured cakes, so the top selling cakes probably in the shop. And we also have like a section to talk about our story, because this is a local cake shop, and we can have a story about it that connects with our audience, and also like an image to kind of go alongside with that. So we have both models going out and building the site. So we're just gonna wait for it to complete. So both options are in. We see option A over here has done a pretty good job. Like it really nailed all the sections. It doesn't have the menu items, but it has the small boxes on the top, but it added a header, it added the placeholder for a hero photo, it has some featured cakes, strawberry velvet, midnight ganache, and also our story. So I think it's like almost there. I wish it would have added some of the images, but maybe we can just prompt it in our follow-up. And we have this one here. This one is, wow, okay, right off the bat, it's super visual. I see a massive photo of a cake that I really want to eat right now. Crafted with love, established in 2018. I like the font. I like the aesthetic of this, even though it's not exactly how I pictured it, but this is pretty good. We see some featured cakes. I like how it has this little zoom animation and like some delicious cakes on the screen. So this is awesome. It has an Our Story section, and this one's really good. I really like this one. It's just like went above and beyond what I had in my initial sketch. So I'm gonna vote for B is better. Amazing. So B was Kimi K2.5 thinking. It beat GPT 5.1 high. This is awesome. So I guess let's see how we can make this even better. One thing that I noticed that we don't have is the ability to view more details about the cakes, and also maybe why not add like a shopping cart, so I can just add the cake to my cart and check out. So I'm going to take a screenshot of the Order Now button and just tell the model to, number one, please add the ability to add cakes to my shopping cart and order the cakes. And number two, I want to be able to view details of the cakes. So if I want to go in more detail about the wedding berry bliss, I want to know everything about it, I should be able to see that. So please add a details modal / dialog when I click the view details button on the cake card. So I sent off 2 images and my 2 features that I want to add, and let's just wait and see what the models come up with. Cool, both models have come back. Let's see if it did what we said. So I'm clicking the Order Now button. It scrolls me down to the featured cakes. I can click View Details. Oh my god. Okay, so this detail section, this modal, is exactly what I had in mind. It has a proper description. It has the reviews. I can add it to the cart, I can heart it. I guess the heart doesn't work exactly, but if I click add to cart, we actually have a real cart now. And I can increase the number of cakes I want. If I want 10 cakes of this, let's see if I can add Chocolate Dream and Vanilla Rose Garden. And $1,000 checkout, and it has this pop-up that says, thank you for your order, we'll start baking it right away. So it did exactly what I asked it to do, so this one's already pretty solid, but let's check out option B. Scroll down, order now. Okay, clicking on the view details, it has also a description, a price, it has some key ingredients. The option A didn't have key ingredients. I can add to cart, and it also has a cart section as well. So this one's also pretty solid. And when I click the place your order, it just empties out my cart. I would have liked some feedback on it, but it just empties out my cart. Both options are pretty good. I think option A has slightly better detail, and I like the add to cart animation more. I like the details page a bit more, even though it doesn't have the specific ingredients. That would be a nice touch. So I'm gonna go ahead and vote for option A. It's better. And we see that option A is Gemini 3 Flash, and option B was Gemini 3 Flash Thinking Minimal. So I'm really happy with this. I'm gonna go ahead and download this so I can save it on my local computer. And yeah, that's what image to code looks like. You can go to arena.ai/code and turn your images into websites inside of Code Arena. We'd love to hear what you think.